Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Epson EcoTank ET-2862, a compact multifunction printer with Wi-Fi, print, copy, scan with ink tank system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have manuals, and of course 4 bottles with ink. Each bottle it is 65 ml. The power cord with a length 1.5 meters. And of course the printer. Now, after removing all the safety stickers, at the front we have the buttons, on-off button, 2 indicators, Wi-Fi button, connection report button, start monochrome copying on A4 size paper and color copy on A4 size paper, and this button for stopping the current operation, and another 2 indicators here. And here of course it is the scan area. Here it is the front cover, just open, we have the Wi-Fi password, you can pull, and inside you can see all the unit. And of course you can close. The ink tank cover, 4 inlet, transparent window in here, you can watch all the time the ink capacity, the paper outlet tray, adjustable. At the back we have the paper inlet, and you can adjust. And of course for the power cord, the connection. And we have the USB port here. Now it's time to refill the tank with ink. Already open, black. Now I can hear the sound. Make sure that the color of the ink tank matches the ink color that you want to fill. You can print 4,500 pages with black and 7,500 pages with color. And it is empty. Very clean process. Close. Don't throw that in the garbage. After a few months, you can refill again. M, it says here, 104M. The transparent window helps a lot to watch the refill process and how much capacity is remaining. It is enough. Store that. And the last one is the C. And that was all. Press to turn on. Confirm that the tanks are filled with ink and then hold down the button for 5 seconds, this button. Charging the ink tank takes about 11 minutes. And done! Now, after finishing, try to refill again with the remaining ink at the bottle. Yes. Perfect. Now there is nothing. Now I can throw that at the garbage. Same and for the others. Perfect. Total empty. Exactly the amount you want. Now, to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network, you need the Epson Smart Panel. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. We can see it's flashing, both indicators. Next. Next. Searching for products. Set up new product. Some informations. There it is. Yes. Proceed to Wi-Fi connection. Next. The initial administration password, OK. Perfect. The password, it is right here. Next. We need the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Yes. Yes. I need to go at the Wi-Fi settings and connect my smartphone to that Wi-Fi network. Yes. Perfect. Connect. Next. Solid on the LED. Use tiles or use cards. And we are online. And through the app you can print if that is a photo or document. You can scan, adjust all the settings. Document capture with your camera You can copy, adjust the settings again. Other features: access to glass, creative print, print collage, fine with printing, guest connection, help, preset copy and print head cleaning. Now I would like to show you how you can connect this printer through your PC or laptop. Run the Epson installer, accept, next. I have finished filling ink into the ink tanks. There's the printer, next. And you can download all these softwares, including driver, next. You can register or skip and done. So let's print something. Current, properties, we can see in the menu, maintenance. You have all these options. A4, main, portrait landscape, standard. Let's go draft. Testing how well it can print. Wow, that is very fast. Draft vivid. Again, very fast. Standard. Definitely better. Standard vivid. And now high. And again, more settings. Here you can adjust again the quality. This is the highest quality. From the draft, you can see the quality, it is very low. Next. Definitely this is the highest quality. This one. So, I will choose to scan this document, since it is the highest quality. Black and white or color. Black and white, it is the document. Just press this button. And is printing on standard quality. But I like it. Since the main document was on high quality, again the results are very clear, very good. Now I would like to print a photocolor photo paper. And on the scan you can choose maximum 1200 dpi from 50, default 100. Higher it will take longer to scan. And I will choose this photo. We can see the resolution, the file size, print, A4 Epson Photo Quality Inkjet Premium Glossy. Full page, normal, fill page, more settings, output quality high. And print. I really like the reliable ink tanks, the wireless connectivity, and how cost-effective it is compared to traditional cartridge printers, especially if you print regularly. If you are tired of that low ink warning popping up every time you have an important document to print, the answer is a resounding yes. The initial investment may be higher than a cheap cartridge printer, but it pays for itself incredibly fast. You are getting thousands of pages of ink right out of the box, enough to last the average user up to 4 years. It's the end of ink anxiety and the start of actually enjoying your home office setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tech reviews, office equipment and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, print smarter, and I'll see you in the next one.